Hi, I'm Monica, creator of Handcraft Yoga. I want to invite you to show up in the comfort of your own home and try something new for yourself. Or maybe it's not new for you, but it's certainly new for me to be in the comfort of your own home. So the workshops here on Handcraft Yoga are a little longer than your normal average class. The intention there is to give you a little more to work with. So yes, we'll be doing poses, asana, but we'll also have some time to reflect and think about some more conceptual stuff and get into some deeper work with ourselves. So not necessarily a 90-minute exercise class. Certainly you'll be doing exercises, but the big idea is a little bigger than that. Over the course of my yoga practice, I've been to quite a few workshops, and I always find that the special thing about them is that there's a theme and something that is working to give you a takeaway for your yoga toolkit back long after the workshop is over. So my intention is to create a space for that wherever you are. I live out in the hill country, and it can be really hard to find the studio at the right time, and all the stars have to align to make it there. And when they do, it's awesome. But when they don't, I still crave that deeper learning and diving into myself. And so these workshops to come are an effort to offer you one less excuse as to why not. So I want you to make it special. When I do classes at home, I like to light my incense and get all my favorite props and a blanket and my journal and my pen and set up the scene, set it up for growth and something special is about to happen, because it is, hopefully. And maybe you'll do it by yourself, maybe you'll call some friends over and you can dive in together. But either way, make it about your journey and enjoy tapping into that deeper well. I'm excited to make it happen. I hope you can join me at some point here on handcraftyoga.com, and let's have some fun.